Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ifactioner.com's learning video tutorials. In today's video tutorial, we will learn the meanings of Muslim girls' names starting with I. Let's start. Ibtihal means supplication, prayer. Ibtisam means smiling, smile. Idaa means earth, speech. Ihab means giving, granting, gift. Ihina means enthusiasm. Ihsan means charity. Ikshu means sugarcane. Ilisha means queen of the earth. Ilma was the name of the slave girl belonging to Zubaydah. Ilma means knowledge. Imaan means faith, belief. Imam, one who believes in Allah, a boy or girl's name. Ibtihal means polite obedience. Imtiaz means excellence. Ihina means mother. Imam means act of kindness, benefaction, bestowal. Ihsan was the name of a slave girl belonging to Haroon al Rasheed. Inas means sociability. Inaya means concern, solicitude. Inayat means support, care, gift, present, kindness. Angela means to be bright and clean. Intisar means triumph. Ibsita means desired. Ishq means love. Ishrat means mastery, wealth, affection. Ismat means safeguarding. Isra means journeying by night. Izdihar means flourishing, blossoming. Disclaimer: this video tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. I cannot guarantee the accuracy of the names, meanings and pronunciation in this tutorial. Name can be spelled and pronounced differently. I would advise you to consult a local scholar for verification before deciding a name for your baby.